we are issuing one of 6 wheelchairs to selected beneficiaries in the county, which means that cumulatively we have so far issued 206 wheelchairs. To identify the beneficiaries as a county government through the Department of Administration and Health Practitioners, we undertook an assessment of persons with disabilities, PWDs, in all 9 sub-counties, with a focus on the person with mobility challenges. Our beneficiaries therefore cut across the spectrum, constituting male, female, and children from all corners of our county. The assessment has also helped us to make various observations in need of attention, such as the need for a comprehensive community-based house identification and assessment targeting DWDs in the county, where caregivers are forced to carry them to health facilities and there is need for supportive intervention.